Hey, Steve, you think we'll need those tonight?
Can you put the phone down?
That's right, tonight. Another episode of High Street Home and Garden, and we're going to Havre de Grace at MacGregor's. Gonna be good. Whoa!
Today, we're in beautiful Havre de Grace, Maryland, taking on one of our favorite projects yet. This covered waterfront space already has great bones. A bar just steps away, plenty of natural light, and some of the best views on the Chesapeake.
Look, here comes Steve loading in.
No, don't worry about it. Wait, help it off.
You got it. All right, we got everything we need out of here. Now it's time to go in and get this rolling. Here comes Steve. He looks ready to go.
But every successful project starts with a plan. Storage solutions are often overlooked,
What's going on? What do we got? Working on something over here?
but they can completely transform a workspace.
I had to tighten this up a little bit, right? And then...
Steve recently upgraded to a fully mobile equipment management system.
Boom. Done.
Clean, efficient, surprisingly expensive. Small upgrades can have a big impact.
What's that you're doing there?
This season, Steve invested in a new microphone stand and a redesigned pedal board.
Setting up the coolest pedal board possible. Stand goes right in it.
It's a subtle change, but it really elevates the space.
We don't know it though. Boom.
One challenge with any renovation is infrastructure. Nathan is currently evaluating several cable routing options.
What are you working on now?
Trying to figure out where I'm going to run that power from. That's the front row. Oh yeah. The power's all the way over there, so my guitar stuff's going to be here.
No final decisions have been made. Meanwhile, my crew continues implementing my vision.
Right now, my workers are getting everything set up to my specifications.
I prefer a hands-on management style.
All right, I got a real mess over here I got to take care of. See all these cords here? They can't stay like this. They actually have to get plugged in.
Recently, Gordon Ramsay helped redesign parts of MacGregor's.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Fortunately, he left the porch alone. After hours of planning and a mere few minutes of actual work, it's time for the reveal. We'll be right back after this message from our sponsors. I'm curious, have you ever taken a chip and put a piece of cheese on it, and then a pickle on that, and then put hot sauce on the top? Well, if you have, then...
You just made the world's best snack!
We wanted to preserve the character of the original space while creating an environment that feels welcoming, functional, and just a little bit loud. By keeping the existing waterfront views and incorporating a few carefully selected design elements, we think we've accomplished exactly that. The real test is seeing how the finished project is received. Let's hear from the homeowners.
We just remodeled this whole spot tonight. What do you think of it? What's your favorite? I don't know if you saw it before. We did a lot of work. What's your favorite new aspect?
I didn't see it before, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. I mean, it looks really well organized.
Thank you.
You're witnessing our remodeling tonight. What do you think?
It's fantastic. It's like it should have a TV show. House Hunters won you.
Fabulous.
That's a good idea.
Reviews like that make all the hard work worthwhile. From waterfront porch to waterfront porch with a band on it, another successful renovation. Thanks for joining us on High Street Home and Garden.
Oh yeah. The power's all the way over there. Boom. Done. No, don't worry about it. I need help at all.
You got it.
Well, that answers that.
What do you say?
Snackintyre Studios animation. Eat more Snackintyres.